or not. Apparently 4 minutes now in 2008. Top of the chart. It seems everyone wants a piece of his Timberlake.
Justin Timberlake is undoubtedly very talented. He can sing, he can dance, and he can be funny.
He's a great songwriter, he's a great performer, and you know what? He's an entertainer.
He's had like a great career, and I think it's going to get even bigger.
He's a lucky man. There's not many people that can sing, dance, and act quite well, and get the hot girl.
You take Justin Dancing's sales and his own sort of solo output, he's approaching the 100 million mark, which for any artist is the holy grail of success, and he's certainly up there with any other kind of great superstar.
Obviously, add all this kind of stuff together, and he is one of the world's greatest pop stars.
Okay, so there you have it. Finally left our case. In our opinion, Justin Timberlake is the world's greatest pop star.